Grinding fresh whole bean coffee before brewing is the first step to getting the best coffee taste at home. Ground coffee interacts with the air around it, and within hours, almost all of its flavor and aroma are lost. However, a full-size coffee grinder can be a hefty investment, and here comes the mini coffee grinder that you can use as a personal grinder to make freshly grounded coffee at any time of the day. These are very compact in size and affordable too. In this video, we have gathered the 5 best mini coffee grinder, which can make your grinding process simple as well as let you enjoy the true taste and aroma of coffee at home. Without wasting much time, let's jump into the video.
At Kitchen Gadget Zone, we are food enthusiast people and love to play with different kitchen tools. We test, analyze, and research innovative kitchenware and gadgets to create a shopping guide for every category based on price, quality, feature, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice.
If you like coffee grinders that require no maintenance, then the KitchenAid Blade Coffee Grinder is for you, since it makes grinding coffee very simple. This coffee grinder has a powerful motor that lets you grind whole coffee beans fast for up to 12 cups of coffee. The stainless steel bowl can hold up to 4 ounces of beans, enabling you to grind enough as per your need. Thus, you can enjoy freshly ground coffee each time. It is very simple to use. You just press down on the cover to start grinding and release it when you're finished. The clear lid lets you easily see your grind quality. The stainless steel bowl is tagged with measurements on the inside, letting you see at a glance how many coffee beans you need to make 4, 8, 10, or 12 cups of coffee. Furthermore, this bowl is removable, which makes it easy to transfer coffee ground to the coffee maker. All in all, this is an impressively easy-to-use coffee grinder that can be your companion for making freshly ground for a perfect cup of coffee. The Capresso Cool Grind will make you forget about pre-ground drip coffee forever and will let you enjoy aromatic coffee at any time of the day. It has a large stainless steel grinding chamber combined with stainless steel blades that keep the flavor preserved, and the blades stop fast enough to ensure safety. Capable of grinding up to 3.5 ounces of beans at one time, this grinder provides you with enough coffee ground. Thus, you can make up to 15 cups of coffee effortlessly. This unit includes a clear lid that allows you to see the beans as they are ground, so you can make sure you get the right grind for your drip coffee maker. Additionally, the auto shut feature will operate automatically when the lid is removed. Furthermore, you can conveniently wrap the cord under the base of the grinder, enabling you to store it anywhere in the kitchen. To sum up, it is a decent piece of machine that comes with an affordable price range, which makes it a great entry-level product. Grinding whole beans for coffee will be faster than others with BLACK+DECKER coffee grinder. So now you can make fresh grind with minimum time. The sharp blades and durable grinding bowls are guaranteed to last for years to come, providing perfect grinding results always. Featuring stainless steel blades that are strong enough to quickly grind your coffee beans. Not only that, you can also use this to grind herbs, spices, grains, and more for added convenience. With intuitive push-button control, this unit lets you easily customize the grind consistency from coarse to fine, allowing you to have your desired texture. The integrated safety mechanism engages only when the lid is firmly locked. Consequently, an uncertain accident can be avoided, and you can have a less messy grinding experience. Due to the built-in cord wrap feature, cords will be kept neatly tucked away, enabling you to store them under the cabinet or any place in an organized way. Elevate your bean grinding experience with the Mueller Austria Hypergrind Precision Electric Coffee Grinder that creates a uniform and smooth ground while providing the value of your money. It looks great and promises consistent grinds each time you use it, as long as you use it properly. As opposed to burr grinders, the coarseness of the ground beans cannot be controlled. If you want finer grind, you have to grind for a long time. The stainless steel blades of this grinder are durable and can easily grind any type of coffee with a breeze. Aside from that, it's very easy to maintain. Just wipe it off with a damp cloth, dry it, and store it under your kitchen cabinet when not in use. At number 1, we have the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grinder coffee grinders that give you consistently good espresso without compromising taste or consistency. Its grinding chamber can be removed for easy filling of whole beans or spices once the grind is complete. The chamber can be removed for easy cleaning. With this unit, you get the convenience of making 12 cups of coffee with ease, because it is large enough to hold up to 9 tablespoons of beans. Additionally, this mini grinder offers hands-free operation with an auto shut-off button, keeping you safe while grinding. Moreover, it includes a card storage design hidden at the base of the grinder, allowing for it to be safely stored when it is not being used. Despite being compact, the Hamilton Beach Grind is the most effective product on our list that doesn't compromise the performance. So that was all about the 5 best mini coffee grinder. Thank you for watching our video. Like, comment and share if you find the video helpful, and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this.